Hello, my name is Alvin here, and today I would like to be answering, is online shopping bad for the environment? And the answer is yes. The disadvantage of online shopping outweighs the advantages for the environment. And here's the reason why. The first reason is packaging. So, whenever they ship your stuff, the things they use, such as cardboard boxes, wooden crate, paper packaging, and plastic packaging are used to store your stuff in order to send you stuff to your home. And these have one thing in common. Sometimes they are wasted. They are thrown in landfills, ocean, and can be even seen in litter areas such as your backdoor alleyway or the unclean streets. Another one is the materials. Those cardboard boxes, wooden crate, paper packaging all come from wood, and we have to cut down wood in order to make those stuff. And that in itself is already a problem in the first place. The second reason is shipping and transportation. Nowadays, we use apps such as Lazada, Shopee, Foodpanda, and Grab. They have one thing in common. We need vehicles or transportation in order to send our stuff to our home. And those require vehicles. Cars, truck, van, plane, ship, train, motorcycle serve its purpose. But there's a problem though. They cause pollution. Air, water, noise, land, all those. Air pollution with the CO2 emission, water with the oil spill, sound with the loud noises, and land with the landfills. The other problem is human error. The human error is every once in a while we tend to make mistakes, but sometimes it is often the most dire. Human errors that cause such negative impacts such as oil spill, plane crashes resulting in fire in our environment, or road accidents. But in the darkest of time, there is still light at the end of the tunnel. Here are a few ways to curb the problems involving online shopping. The first one is reduce, reuse, and recycle. Everyone knows about this. This is practically common knowledge. We can reduce the plastic usage, look for alternatives such as biodegradable plastic or paper. The second one is reusing what we have, the cardboard. We can make a cat board for our cats, container to store stuff such as, well, old books that you have no space for new books. Or you can use it to ship stuff to other people, like using Lazada or Shopee. As for the plastic, you can make a new container for it, store food, or make it a new pot for your plants. Those leftover that you have no plans on using, why not just recycle? Common knowledge, right? The second is using alternatives, another method of online shipping. The first one I want to talk about is using eco friendly shipping options. Take, for example, Green Courier Services. They use electric cars, vans, trucks to do the deliveries. These type of companies we must support. And for me, it is a type of company I'll invest in. The second is using biodegradable packaging. paper packaging, boxes that can at least be composed, and during usage of landfills, it won't be as bad as plastic. And lastly, we can reduce human error. So there are a few ways to reduce human error. The first one being reinforcing the law for our safety and the environment. We can reinforce the law such as the regulation to make sure the production of plastic is reduced for packaging, while also reduce the wood cutting or deforestation in the country too. As a bonus, this also helps with reducing the chance of flash flood. And finally, the second one is better safety procedures and better checks are done for the transportation for our shippings. It is very important to check our transportation or shipping before doing the routine in order to make sure there are no accidents such as oil spill or plane crashes down the line. And that's all for now. Thank you for listening.